So we will return a default tab controller, since we will have two buttons, chats and the contacts, okay, on the chat area. So we can say default tab controller. As for two buttons, the length will be 2. Let's add some decoration quickly. Color will be default color dot light bar background color. Border from the right, we will say border side. Color will be default color dot background color, and width of this will be 1. Now let's test the user interface, how it looks. Before doing testing the application, one thing is we have to call this method which we implemented for reading current user data, and that we will call inside the init stat. So above the widget build, implement the built-in init stat, and in here inside the init stat we can call our method read current user data, just like this. Now once you do that, now let's test our app. So you can see it looks like this. This is the area. Of course it take the whole screen because currently we have only this widget. That's why later when we will implement our messages area, then it will become small. Okay, that is here we will have, okay, at the left side we will have the chat area as a whole, and then at the right side we will have the message area. So for now it take up the whole screen, this area you can see. So the reason for this is basically we have only one area, and that area is currently chatting area. Message area is not yet implemented, so that's why. So anyways, let's continue our chat area. So after the decoration, the color will be background color. So padding from all side will be at child row widget. So at the top of our chat area we are going to display the user profile image. So we can simply say circle avatar, radius for this will be 26, background image, let's use the image dot network, or instead of this we can use directly the network image, this one, okay, network image, and here we have to provide the URL of that image. So you know that we can get it from our current user data dot image. So let's see how it looks. You can see that, okay. Now after the circle avatar we will add some space of size box with 12. Text will be current user data dot, we are going to display the name of the user, okay, alongside with the image. and then after displaying the name, at the right side of the bar we will display the button which will be for log out the user. So we can say icon button, the icon for this we will use is logout icon, and when the user press on this logout button, of course we will log out the user from the app. So we can say await Firebase dot instance dot sign out, and when the user is sign out successfully, then we will send the user to the login screen. So we can say navigator dot push replacement name context, and you know the root name is login. Now let's hot restart and see the result. So you can see that now this logout button we want here at the right side. So for that purpose we will add after the name we will use a spacer widget. So you can see that it looks like this.